What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a detailed review of the new Razer Huntsman V2 optical gaming keyboard. So we are going to talk about its design, performance, features, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for the future videos. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of Razer Huntsman V2 2021, you will find the Huntsman V2 keyboard, a nice magnetic leatherette handrest, and some quick start guide, welcome message, etc. Now talking about the performance, Huntsman V2 is the best gaming keyboard for many reasons that you can buy for yourself. First of all, this is an optical gaming keyboard. So unlike the mechanical keyboard, the actuation distance is very small and it provides a faster response while either you are playing games or just having a typing session. The Huntsman V2 comes in two types of switches. We got the Razer clicky optical switches or the linear optical switches. If you recognize gaming keyboards by the color of their switches, then we are talking about the blue and red switches here. So the one I got here in this video comes with the Razer clicky optical switches, and if you go with the linear optical switches, then the actuation distance and the actuation force is even lower compared to the clicky switches. So if you want to improve your gaming performance, then optical gaming keyboards are the best option, and when it comes to optical gaming keyboard, the Razer Huntsman V2 is the best one for sure. Another great thing about the Razer clicky optical switches is that it comes with zero debounce delay. So it removes the bouncing usually found in mechanical keyboards, and because of the low actuation distance, the Razer Huntsman V2 transmits the signal as soon as you press the key. So once again, this is a very important factor for gamers, that how fast the signal is being transmitted to the PC. And another great feature of Huntsman V2 is the polling rate. It comes with 8K hyper polling, so the polling rate is 8 times better and faster compared to the traditional 1000Hz polling rate we find in most of the other gaming keyboards. The 0.125 millisecond latency provided by the Huntsman V2 optical switches with 8K hyper polling is as fast as it can be. So once again, if you are a gamer, this is the best gaming keyboard for you for sure. So the combination of 8K Hz hyper polling and the zero debounce delay provide a very nice and super fast experience on Huntsman V2. Usually the blue switches or the clicky switches are quite noisy when we are talking about the gaming keyboards, but Razer is providing a sound dampening foam on Huntsman V2, and because of that the keyboard acoustics are improved a lot while providing the same tactile feeling that we get while using the clicky or blue switches. It means that you can bring your Razer Huntsman V2 to your workplace or any public place, and you can use it without annoying other people in your surrounding with the keystroke sound coming out of it. The slightly indented keycaps are very comfortable to use and provide a nice tapping experience or longer gaming session. Razer provides some dedicated keys for launching the macros, turning on off the gaming mode, or quickly putting the device in the sleep mode. It also comes with the Hypershift technology that allows you to assign a secondary task and command of action to a key, so you can use one single key to perform two different actions. It also comes with the multifunctional dial and media keys that you can use to control the music playback, switching between the tracks, or skipping the frame while watching videos, and adjusting the volume. All of these multimedia keys can also be changed to perform different multimedia actions with the help of Razer Hypershift technology. And the best part is that the dedicated media keys and the multifunctional dial provide the same tactile feeling that you can expect from a nice gaming keyboard. Talking about the design and build quality, the new Razer Huntsman V2 comes with aluminum matte top plate that provides a nice, smooth, satisfying touch while providing the sturdiness and durability to the keyboard. We got the double shot PBT keycaps. What it means for you is that you will get nice, smooth textured finish on the keycaps, and the keycaps along with the paint job is very durable, so you can use them for years without worrying about fading of the paint job or getting any damage to the keycaps because of your gaming sessions. Razer also provides a key stabilizer bar on top of the switches that helps in keeping the keycap motion level and consistent, does not matter what corner of the key you are pressing. So it also contributes in the gaming performance by providing a balanced key press every single time. And since the Razer Huntsman V2 is an optical gaming keyboard and there is less physical contact, you get up to 100 million keystrokes. That is nearly twice of what usually you get with the mechanical keyboards. So you can assume that the lifespan of the Huntsman V2 is going to be twice of a regular gaming keyboard that are available in the market. The cable is of also very high quality, looks beautiful, and it is very durable as well. At the bottom you will find multiple foam pads that provide a very nice and solid grip to the Huntsman V2, and does not matter how intense is your gameplay, your keyboard will not move from its position, contributing in your gaming performance and experience. Huntsman V2 also comes with 2 levels of elevation that you can use based on your preference for better user experience. At the bottom we got a tiny magnet that helps in connecting the provided handrest to the keyboard and keeps it in position as well to provide a nice and comfortable user experience while using the Razer Huntsman V2. The provided magnetic wrist rest is also of very nice quality. It looks beautiful and premium. It's very soft, cushiony, and provide a very nice support and comfort for longer gaming sessions. The Razer Huntsman V2 is powered by the Razer Chroma RGB that allows you to perform various customization when it comes to keyboard lighting using Razer's Synapse software. The only thing I'm missing here is that unlike few other Huntsman series keyboards, the new Huntsman V2 2021 does not come with the underglow feature, so there is no RGB lighting provided below the keyboard body or on the handrest. Now talking about the Razer Synapse, this is where you can do all of the customization, whether selecting the keyboard lighting, doing the customization of the user profile, or making any changes in the preferred polling rate on your Razer Huntsman V2. You can select the option to turn on or off the gaming mode and what keys and key combinations you would like to disable when the gaming mode is turned on. You get the option to select the polling rate from 125 Hz to up to 8000 Hz. You can even select the key switch optimization, whether you are using the Huntsman V2 for typing or gaming. If you select gaming, then the response you get from the Huntsman V2 is even faster compared to the typing experience where you need more debounce delay to avoid any error in typing. And this is where you can also use the hypershift feature. It allows you to assign a secondary task to the keys of Huntsman V2 so the key performs its usual task and command of action, and then once you go into the hypershift mode, it will perform the secondary task that you have assigned it. So this is also a very useful feature, especially when it comes to gaming, also for the office purposes, that you can use the Huntsman V2 and its keys to quickly perform some actions and increase your productivity. And then under the lighting section, you get various options like adjusting the brightness, when to switch off the keyboard lighting, and some preset lighting effects that you can select for your Huntsman V2. And if you would like to have custom lighting on your Huntsman V2, then you can go to the Chroma Studio that allows you to perform virtually unlimited customization to the keyboard lighting of Huntsman V2. You can also install some additional Razer Chroma modules like Chroma Connect, Chroma Visualizer, etc. to perform various lighting effects and create nice lighting patterns if you got multiple devices supported by Razer Chroma RGB. It also allows you to create different macros on Huntsman V2 that you can use while playing games to improve your performance and gaming experience. So the Razer Huntsman V2 is the perfect combination of the hardware, software, and as well as the design and build quality to provide an amazing gaming experience. There are so many improvements that you will find from the previous generation of Huntsman V2 on the Huntsman V2 2021. So getting the Razer Huntsman V2 2021 keyboard is the best thing you can do for yourself if you are a true gamer. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.